In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a presentation with Copilot in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll know how to open Copilot, write a clear prompt, refine what it creates, and save your finished deck with confidence. Start by opening PowerPoint on your device and let it load to the home screen or a new blank presentation. If you're on Microsoft 365, look for the Copilot icon in the ribbon. If you don't see it, make sure your app is updated to the latest version and that you're signed in with an account that has access to Copilot. Select the Copilot icon. A panel will appear, typically on the right side of your screen. This is your space to chat with Copilot. Think of it as your presentation co-creator. You type instructions here, and Copilot will respond with an outline and initial slides based on what you ask for. Now give it a prompt to create a presentation. Be specific so Copilot understands your goal. Include the topic, your audience, how many slides you want, the tone or style, and the key points you need covered. For example, you could say, create a 10-slide presentation introducing sustainable packaging for a general audience. Include an agenda, a definition, benefits, real-world examples, challenges, and a simple call to action. Add speaker notes for each slide. The clearer your prompt, the better the first draft. You can also mention visual preferences like using clean modern visuals or including simple charts where relevant. When the outline and slides appear, refine them as needed. You can ask Copilot to adjust the structure or content right in the panel with prompts like make slide 2 more concise, add a slide with 3 key statistics, or change the tone to more professional and less casual. If you want a more visual deck, try requests such as use icons instead of stock photos or apply a minimal theme. You can also tweak slides manually, adjust layouts, switch themes, edit speaker notes, and verify any facts. Keep text scannable, limit bullets per slide, and ensure each slide supports your main message. Treat Copilot as a strong starting point and yourself as the final editor. Finally, save your file once you're done. Click Save or Save As, choose a clear file name, and pick a location like OneDrive so it's backed up and easy to share. Keep it in PowerPoint format for future edits, and export to PDF if you need a shareable fixed copy. Turning on autosave helps protect your work as you go. That's it. You've created a presentation with Copilot in PowerPoint, from prompt to polished slides to a properly saved file.